In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Intercom for customer service. If you want a simple, organized way to handle customer questions, Intercom Inbox is where you start. In just a few moments, you will be able to view incoming conversations, open a customer message, and send a clear response. First, click Inbox from the left sidebar. Take a moment to look at the navigation panel on the left side of your Intercom workspace. You should see a section labeled Inbox. Click that option to move to the main area where conversations are collected. This step matters because it brings you directly to the place where all support messages appear in one organized view, instead of being scattered across different screens. Next, you will view incoming customer conversations by clicking All or Mine. After you click Inbox, look for options that let you filter what you are seeing. Choose All if you want to see every incoming conversation in your workspace. Choose Mine if you want to focus only on conversations assigned to you. This choice can save time, especially when you are handling your own queue or when you need to quickly review what is happening across the team. Once you select the appropriate option, the list should update to match your selection. Now that you can see the list of conversations, the next step is to open one. Click on a specific conversation row to open it. On the screen, each conversation usually appears as a row with key information that helps you identify it, such as the customer thread and a preview of the latest message. Click the row for the customer you want to respond to. When you do this, Intercom will open the full conversation, so you can read the context and understand what the customer is asking. This is an important step, because responding without context can lead to confusion or repeated questions. Once the conversation is open, you will type your reply. Type your response in the text editor at the bottom. Look to the lower portion of the chat window. You should see an input area or text box where you can write your message. Use this space to craft your response clearly and professionally. If the customer asked a specific question, make sure your reply directly addresses it. If you need to explain next steps, keep your language straightforward so the customer can easily follow along. While you are typing, you can refer back to the messages above to ensure you are responding to the correct issue. After you write your response, you are ready to send it. Click Send, or press Command+Enter on a Mac, or Control+Enter on a Windows or Linux computer. This final action delivers your message to the customer, so it is worth a brief pause to confirm everything looks correct. Check that your message is complete, that it communicates the right information, and that there are no missing details. When you are satisfied, click Send or use the keyboard shortcut to send quickly. That is the full flow for using Intercom for customer service. Go to Inbox, choose whether you want all or your own conversations, open the conversation you need, type your response in the editor at the bottom, and then send it using the button or keyboard shortcut. With this routine, you can respond consistently and keep customers updated in a timely way. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.